Hello everyone, today we're reviewing LM Studio, a tool that lets you run powerful AI models right out of your own computer. No internet needed, no monthly fees, just pure local AI. But is it actually worth your time? Let's find out. LM Studio is a free app that runs AI models like ChatGPT but completely offline on your machine. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. You download models from a huge library and chat with them privately. Everything stays on your device. First, it's totally free. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. You get a clean and easy interface. No coding required. Just click and go. Second, privacy. Your data never leaves your computer. This matters if you handle sensitive work or personal info. Third, it supports tons of models like Llama, Mistral, DeepSeek, and more. You pick what you want and what works best for your needs. Fourth, it has a local server feature. You can connect it to other apps through an API, making it super flexible for developers. The biggest win? Complete privacy and control. No company sees your data ever. It also is perfect for learning AI without spending money. Students and hobbyists love this. The interface is simple. No coding bottleneck, no server setups, just download and start chatting. You can chat with your own documents using built-in features, upload PDFs, ask questions, get answers. But there are downsides. It's closed source software, so you can't see the code. Some people worry about hidden data collection. Performance depends on your computer. Weak machines will struggle. You need decent hardware for smooth operation. It's not built for heavy production work. This is more for testing and personal projects. This tool shines for developers who want to test AI locally, researchers working with private data, and students learning about AI. Anyone paranoid about privacy, small businesses wanting to avoid cloud costs. So, is LM Studio worth it? Absolutely. It's free, private, and powerful. This interface makes AI accessible to everyone. Sure, it has limits, but for personal use and experimentation, it's fantastic. If you care about privacy or want to learn about AI without monthly fees, download it today. That's it for our review, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.